Kalma lang kapatid, kan mong makinig. Samalamig, samalamig.
First, go to YouTube and search what you want to edit. If you already have the video, just skip this. For the video I use, I searched Jennie's solo concert Coachella Day 2. I full screen it and set it to the highest resolution for a good quality video, then I screen record it. When you're done screen recording it, go to CAPCUT. Add project, then add the video you want to edit. This is the video I want to edit. Mute the clip. Add audio, then extract it. Then click the video you want to extract the audio. After then find scene you want to your edit, then delete clips you don't need. Then split to the spot you want to slow-mo. Then adjust the first clip to 6.8 seconds. After that, change the format to 9:16, then zoom out your video. Add effects from basic. Select slant blur. Adjust the blur to 100. Then add the blur from basic again. Set the speed of the second clip to 0.2 speed. Add overlay, and go to stock video, then click white. Zoom it out, and adjust the duration to 0.5 seconds, then go to splice and click overlay. Add animation out fade out, then adjust the duration to 0.2. Click the second clip, then add animation in Shake 1. Or you can use other animation. Adjust the duration to 0.4 seconds. Done, then export it and wait it. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is the results.
Sa sarili ay subukan mong makinig.
Sa malamig, sa malamig.